everyone! Welcome to Katrina's Cooking, the scene where you learn how to cook and make Filipino dishes. Today, we are making an authentic Filipino fruit salad recipe. So, what is fruit salad? It is a dessert consisting of various kinds of fruits mixed with cream and condensed milk. Did you know fruit salad is a traditional and most popular staple Filipino dessert at most Filipinos' event or occasion, especially during birthdays and holidays? Guess what? It is also my favorite. Believe me, you will love this recipe and share this with your friends and loved ones. Are you ready? Let us make an authentic Filipino fruit salad. To make this super delicious fruit salad, we need fresh mangoes, 3 pieces, which is very sweet. I like it to cut into cubes. We need pineapple, peeled. I like it to cut into cubes. We need also apple, 2 pieces, sliced into cubes. We need also 1 coconut cut into half, grated coconut flakes. Next is sugar palm fruit or kaong. What is sugar palm fruit? It is the fruit of sugar palm tree and comes from the Philippines. The fruits were little and white and egg-shaped, almost transparent. I choose green kaong so that it will give additional color to the fruit salad. Also, we need 2 cups of cream. Lastly, we need 1 cup of condensed milk. After cutting those fruits in a bowl, combine fresh mango, fresh pineapple, combine apple, sugar palm fruit, grated coconut flakes. After combining those ingredients, mix together. Add cream. We add 2 cups of cream. After adding, mix. Next, add condensed milk. Spread it. Then mix thoroughly. Look at the texture. It's so creamy. It's so beautiful and the smells is so good. I'm so excited of my fruit salad. I cannot wait to taste it. This is how to make an authentic Filipino fruit salad. It's just so easy, and I'm sure you will love it. Then, I will try to taste. So yummy and creamy. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Have a great day!